Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Dorelex Pro UK reviews. Guys, this video will help you know whether this product is a legit one or a scam. If you have not purchased this product yet, watch this unbiased review of mine and you will get to know whether you should buy this product or not. Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, watch our video till end as I'm going to reveal a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out more details about the product. Guys, here you can see Dorelex. It is a revolutionary medical device that helps you get rid of all your back issues. It helps in reducing your backache, herniated disc, a stiff neck, damaged disc and many other problems. Guys, this product is a revolutionary product which is scientifically proven. It has been developed by Australian university researchers and this astounding device is ready to be a ultimate weapon against the backache. Guys, hundreds of thousands of Australians are already using this product to end their lower back pain, herniated disc and other back problems. Guys, some of these Australians are also well-known sportsmen, including Olympic champions, who are using this product to get rid of the issues they are facing from several years. So guys, the secret of this product is simple and it is a effortless tool which you can easily use and end your slip disc, stiff neck, lower backache, degenerative disc diseases and many other problems. Guys, the product is very easy to use and you are recommended to use it for at least 3 minutes in a day. Before sharing the step to use the product, I would like to say that guys, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. It will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further guys, here are the steps and I'm telling you guys, this product is very easy to use. All you need to do is adjust the height of the device to match your size. Take the handle and rest your arms on the side pads provided. Next step you have to do is place the top of your chest on the comfortable padded shelf to place yourself in the optimum position for stretching in alignment, and last is you have to allow yourself to lean forward. Your back will stretch all itself and it will be in a totally relaxed position. Guys, in addition to this stretch, you will also feel a great sense of well-being with the help of this product. Here you can see that it will compress the disc, it misaligned vertebra and slip disc. It will help you remove all these issues. Guys, talking about the website in which this product is sold, this website is around 1.5 years old and it has a good customer reviews website. Also guys, this product is available on Facebook but it has not much followers and not much likes on Facebook, but yes, there are some images of the comments given by people about the product and all those comments are positive. But guys, any product which needs popularity need to be active on social media platforms, which this product is not now. Also guys, when you read out more details about the product, you will find many questions and these questions are answered by a doctor named Jean-Paul Perisset. Guys, I hope you have liked the information whatever I have shared with this related to this product. Overall, I would like to say that this product is a good product and it can be recommended to the people who are facing the problem of backache. Also guys, you will not find any other good substitute of this product because it is being designed by Australian practitioners who have made sure that each and every problem related to your back disc is resolved with the help of this product. You can request your 1 month free trial pack also guys. So I hope you have liked the video. Now it's the time to discuss about the money back option guys. All you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. Check the link properly guys. Also, please comment your thoughts over this video as we read all your comments and value them. Guys, one more time I would like to say that please hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you. Have a nice day.